It all started with the invention of the wheel, a simple device that revolutionized the way our ancestors lived and worked. Fast forward a few millennia, and we've come a long way from primitive tools to sophisticated machines. The Industrial Revolution, for instance, marked a significant turning point in history. It replaced manual labor with mechanical work, changing the face of employment and economy forever. Yet, the pace of change didn't stop there. Enter the digital era, a time when computers replaced typewriters, emails replaced letters, and the internet became the new marketplace. It was a time of rapid technological advancement, a time when machines started to think and learn, and then artificial intelligence was born. AI, as we fondly call it, was not just another technological innovation. It was an intelligent machine capable of learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. It was a machine that could potentially outperform humans in most economically valuable work. The advent of AI in the workplace was met with mixed reactions. Some celebrated the dawn of a new era, an era of increased productivity and efficiency. Others feared the loss of jobs, the rise of unemployment, and the widening gap between the rich and the poor. Politicians and thought leaders assured the masses that AI would create more jobs than it would displace. They painted a picture of a future where AI and humans coexist, where AI takes over mundane tasks, leaving humans to do what they do best: create, innovate, and lead. But the reality was far from this utopian vision. People struggled to keep up with the pace of change. They found it hard to acquire new skills and adapt to the new way of work. They found themselves competing with machines that worked faster, made fewer mistakes, and didn't ask for pay or holidays. As we stand at the cusp of the AI revolution, it's time for us to pause and reflect. Is this the future we want? A future where machines rule and humans serve? Or do we envision a future where AI aids human effort but does not replace it? The choice is ours to make. Think about it. Reflect on it. And remember, the future of work is not just about AI taking over jobs. It's about how we as a society choose to use AI. It's about creating a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. So, ask yourself today, what kind of future do you want to build?